Alright, so my name is Melissa Booker. I am currently playing Mario Bros. Created by Nintendo. Its original designer was Shigeru Miyamoto. I have not played this game before, and the last one that I played was maybe Super Mario Bros. 3 back in the day on Sega Genesis, probably. The latest Mario game I played recently was Super Mario Odyssey. That's pretty fun. Let's see if I can figure out how to start this. Okay, there's an about page. There's an emulation page. Load state, save state file, collisions, fire console. Okay, I don't think this is what I need. Controls. Up, turbo fire. Who's this for? Paddles. Normal swapped. I suppose you're supposed to have a gamepad. F1 is power, TV type, player 1 difficulty, load cartridge file, load cartridge URL, remove cartridge, reset, select player 2 difficulty. Drag and drop files or URLs to load cartridges, ROMs, and state files. Okay, what does that mean? That's not. So I'm currently pressing all the F1 files on here. Nothing's happening. Okay. I press F7 and something happened. What was F7? F7 was remove cartridge. So that's not what I want to do. Alright, so it looks like now my biggest issue is trying to figure out how to just start the game. Load file from URL. I do not have a URL. Let's try this one. Not valid ROM found. No valid ROM found. Okay, that's not it. Defaults. Nope. Quick options. Nope. Help settings. This was where I was before. Drag and drop files or URLs to load cartridge, ROMs, and state files. I don't have a cartridge, so I don't see how this could help me at all. Let's see if I can Google Mario Bros. Cartridge. Or, not cartridge, but emulation. That's Super Mario Bros. Though. Play Super Mario Bros. I can just play it. Wow. That's not what I was looking for, though. Super Mario Bros. NES emulator. How to play Super Mario Brothers on PC. Don't need a YouTube. Here's a ROM for it. But that's Super Mario Bros. Miss Europe. I don't know how that's gonna work. Mario Brothers emulation. Hold on. Mario Brothers emulation ROM download. Download Mario Bros. ROM. Okay, free ROMs. Let's see if this works. I hope I do not. Oh yeah, see? I'm not supposed to come here. Should not go there. That's a Game Boy Advance version. I didn't even know Game Boy Advance came out with one. I think you can actually download this game on the Nintendo eShop for 3DS. Maybe even Switch and Wii U. Add gaming app search. Ha, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. Let's see if we can go back here. Atari manual tome. Official blessing for tome. Atari tome, Atari tome. I'm not gonna read the tome, so user group, contact us, game site. Look, Halo. And Super Mario Land 2. That's not what I'm looking for. Try to stay on track. This is Auto NS and TSCD. Select cartridge. Just pressing a bunch of buttons right now. Nothing seems to be... Oh, wait a minute. Just did something. Oh, so now I'm playing it. And I'm pressing the space button and I just died. Okay, looks like my mouse is worthless. Oh, there we go. Yeah, this is really old. I've seen videos of this, but I've never actually played it, so yeah, this is not really what I would call fun. I just died from touching the turtle. Thought you were supposed to jump on the turtles. And I died again. Oh, look. I just died. Okay, what did I press before to get started? Okay, what button was it? I don't even know what button I pressed. Let's see if we can just... Okay, that did something, not something I was supposed to do that. Yeah, my computer screen is touchscreen, so I pressed... Okay, so that's what that does. I am not too sure what I'm... Oh, you can go back and forth. That's interesting. Huh. Can you do... Nope, you cannot. Oh, you can do that. I'm not gonna be that one kid who's like, oh, I can't imagine what people did back in the day. Like, yeah. But this is really... What's the objective, really? Kind of sound like an a-hole for saying it, but... Oh, this game. There we go. Okay, there we go. And I died. Perfect. That's just fantastic. You're just supposed to avoid the obstacles? Yeah. I currently have no more lives left. Oh, come on. Okay. Alright, well, that's enough of that. Kind of sick and tired of dying. Well, again, my name is Melissa Booker, and I am signing off.